everybody, Steve with the Penguin Outdoors YouTube channel. So, I get asked a lot about how I launch and recover my kayak. And normally when I come to the ramps, it's pretty crazy in the morning. So, I think I've got some good footage from yesterday, how I come off the water. So, hopefully this will give you some good footage how I get on the water. My kayak stays loaded up, ready to go. I put the cooler on at the last second because it puts a lot of weight over the wheels, even though they're solid. So I'm loaded up and ready to go. My drive isn't in, but it's tethered, rudder's up. So what I like to do is I roll down the ramp backwards. There's a lot of different ways to do this. The way that I found that I like, you get a little wet, but it's kayaking, and I wear quick dry pants. So what I do is I like to roll down the ramp backwards, get it floating, get the wheels off, and then I'll jump in and off we go for the day. Every ramp's a little different. This ramp has a pretty smooth and consistent decline, but it works this way every ramp I have ever been to. See, there goes the fish finder yelling about the depth. Now when it's a little more chaotic, what I'll do is I'll use either that thing and get a little deeper out of the way and take the wheels off, or I've been known to push it straight backwards into the water till it's floating, jump in, paddle away, and then take the wheels off on the water. But if you've got time to do it right here at the ramp, that's preferable. Alright, let's get in and go. Kira, you ready? And we're off, just like that. How's it going? Not too bad. Gets heavier at the end of the day.
The worst part of it right there.
Yeah.